Guys, I'm Tree and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna learn you how to make somebody an editor on Twitch, which means that they can highlight your videos, they can download your clip, and many more things. Okay, so how do you do it? Let's jump into that screen thingy. First of all, you go to twitch.tv, of course, and you click on your name in the top right. Then you go to your dashboard. You will end up in the normal dashboard here, where you can go to roles right here under channel settings. You will find here who is a VIP and who is a mod in your channel. You can add mods here as well and VIPs. To add a new person, just click on add new and type their name in here. Name. That's probably, yes, there's somebody called name. And you can make them an editor right here by clicking on this. I'm not gonna do this because I don't know who this person is, but you can click on editor here. You can also make them VIP or moderator. You can see how many VIP badges you have right here as well. If you want to make somebody an editor that is already a moderator or a VIP, you just look their name here, click on the plus, and you can just make them an editor as well. You don't have to be a mod for it, so you can, let's say I want to make Tofu here an editor. I can just click on this and he's an editor. He's not a moderator, so that's just, you can just do that. You can also do it when they're not a VIP. So if you want somebody to be your editor but don't want them to be a moderator, that's totally possible. If you're a moderator and you want to go to well, the channel options, the highlights and stuff like that, what you have to type is twitch.tv/channel name, in my case Tree/dashboard. If you copy this, but then with the name of the person you are an editor of, let's say the guy who named name, then you do twitch.tv/name/dashboard. And you will get a simplified version of the dashboard. You will see the video producer here. I think you see the collections as well, but not the clips. You can download the clips from the profile page. So if you go to the page of the person, let's do it with me for a second. Go to channel, and you go to clips here. Let me mute this for a second. You can see these are my top clips right now from the last 7 days, and you can just click on the one clip. It will open in here. Watch full video will get you to the whole stream back. So if you want to see out of which stream it came, you can go here and watch the rest of it. And if you want to download it, you click on share, which kind of feels weird, but you have to click on share for it. And then you see this button here that downloads the video for you. It either starts downloading immediately or it goes into a second tab. If it goes into a second tab, you just right click on it and download it from there. Otherwise, it just will be in your download folder and you can start editing and making highlights right away. I hope this was clear. If it wasn't, just leave a comment and I will react on you as soon as I can. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more streamer support videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching and bye!